Now, please don't make us comment. This step-by-step improvement, you want us to believe that? Don't force us to comment on their conduct any more than what we have already done. This is a systematic setting up of the case. Then let us go into the details now. Nitty-gritties of the thing. You want the case to be destroyed right now? What you fabricated, you want us to destroy, we'll do that. Why your SP is trying to get us to make a comment on that? And to comment on the incompetence of your officials.
The petition, madam.
Yes, just
Not petition. Yes. Lordship will find, my lord, ZD entry is made.
GD and PS.
Yes, ZD entry made, my lord, 25/5.
23.
23.
Yes. Yes.
Lord, 2:11 AM.
Unknown miscreants.
Yes. Now, Lordship kindly see page 18.
Yes.
Page 18.
Yes.
Unknown miscreant, my lord. Now, FIR is filed. FIR is filed, my lord, on 7:30 at 7:30 PM. On the same day.
7:30. Yes.
It shows, my lord, some unknown miscreants. Now, how they came to the know about the sequence of the effect as submitted before Lordships.
Yes. Hello, Lordship, kindly allow her to speak.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the victim party was not, because they were in a state of trauma, they could not immediately file the FIR, because of which we took a suo motu case, and a supplementary FIR giving a sequence of names was filed the next day by the brother of the victim, which clearly has the name of Shah Jahan.
Now, please don't make us comment. This step-by-step improvement, you want us to believe that?
Your Lordship, all these documents have been submitted in the local court. The first FIR and the
So
subsequent.
the names of the accused dawned on them subsequently. That's what you want the court to believe.
No, Your Lordship. The first is a suo motu FIR, because we knew about a cognizable offence being committed. We immediately registered the FIR, and the brother of the victim submitted an FIR with the names of the first name being of Shah Jahan Ali to us the next day. That is on the 26th. But because the case was registered on the 25th, Your Lord, this was added as a supplementary FIR and submitted to the Honorable Court of Vilasipara the next.
This FIR was
Mr. Mazumdar,
my lord.
don't force us to comment on their conduct any more than what we have already done. This is a systematic setting up of the case. Your police inspector went to the house of the victim. He was there. The victim was lying all alone on the bed.
Yeah.
His family members were there. At that time, they didn't know who the miscreant was who fired. Second report at the hospital. Till then also they don't know. Suddenly in the morning it dawns on them.
No, man. In the Lordship, kindly see. When they went there, the victim, the wife told that these are the two persons who were involved. In the first paragraph, it says Reza Hussain and Shahjahan Ali have killed her husband, she said.
But in the FIR is silent. Unknown miscreant.
Read Annexure 2, page 19. Read your own inspector's report, page 18.
Page 18, man.
Yes.
This is
Now,
so
then let us go into the details now. Nitty-gritties of the thing. You want the case to be destroyed right now? What you fabricated, you want us to destroy, we'll do that.
The investigation could not suffer for all these things. This is another aspect in the present case, my lord.
So then why your SP is trying to get us to make a comment on that? And to comment on the incompetence of your officials. Your inspector goes there. Let's see what his statement is then. Okay. 161 statement of your sub-inspector who went there. Read aloud. Dena sabin padhari. Padma Pani Bora. Read his 161 has been recorded or not? Read that, please.
On system to record for search. On system to record for search.
Yes.
That is recorded.
Recorded in the diary. Okay. Read his statement aloud by translating it, Mr. Mazumdar.
Well, let us translate. This is SMS. We'll have to translate. Madam.
Yes, so read it. Read it, please. She files a complaint to the SP.
Melody is in English.
Read all it, pass it on. The complaint is filed to your SP on 29th. What is the action taken on that?
29.
Page, Annex 4, page 22.
Page 22. Page 22.
On I'm you didn't receive this? Okay. It was given to whom?
Page 22.
Your sub-inspector makes all kind of inquiry.
Madam.
The suspicion is cast that Shahjahan was and Bashir Ali were involved in some kind of land deal. Till then, no one comes forward and says Shahjahan is the shooter. Suddenly, on the next morning, eyewitnesses come forward and lodge the FIR saying that we have seen him doing that. That's right.
Well, this sequence of events that we have given here, it is said that the victim Bashir Ali was lying in a pool of blood, and his wife, who was in the same room, started crying and saying the names of Raja Hussain and Shahjahan.
That's what we are saying, Mr.
Madam.
Mazumdar.
Madam.
Your inspector's report doesn't say so. Read the first report, which is GD diary, which he records.
Page 18.
It is there.
GD is there on the with the petition.
Yes.
Read at page 18.
Page 18 of the resolution. Page 18 of the resolution.
So if she was crying out, giving the names,
Madam.
your inspector, this gentleman, whosoever is Padm Boro, he had his data receiving center shut down at that time or what? Padmpani Bora. If she was saying out the names of some people, what led him to submit the report?
Madam, she has not seen. She said, I suspect.
Saying. That's what you're
This what
reading out. That she was saying, taking the names of two people.
yes.
So your Padmpani Bora must have heard her saying so. He gets the information from there only. What happens in the GD diary? GD entry.
Page 18.
Where does that information go?
Page 18.
Lordship, we take it upon Wednesday. Let me just reconcile the records. I have not read this. They have brought all these things. Wednesday, Lordship, I'll just find out what is the sequence exactly.
Let them file the details. What about the second wife? She has been arrested or what?
She has been released.
She has been released.
I have been told yesterday.
Okay.
Day
Yesterday,
before.
the SP Dubri and the officers of the Bilasipura police station are present in the court with the case diary. Mr. Mazumdar has placed on record a narration in form of sequence of events which shall be retained on the file. If praise for and is granted, 4 days time to file a detailed affidavit list on Wednesday. On that day, the SP and the police officials concerned shall remain present in the court.
Madam, in the affidavit, will
Whatever you want to say.